Hi, my name's Ashley, and I have a passion for world travel. So when I lost my corporate job back in 2019, it only made sense and was a lot cheaper for me to put everything in storage and live full-time out of a carry-on suitcase. So I booked a one-way ticket, hit the road, in search of what the new normal of travel looks like. But more importantly, I'm in search of what my new normal looks like. I am the In Search of Traveler. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday.
Hey YouTubers, what's going on? Happy Travel Tip Tuesday. I wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick travel tip. And one of the best travel tips that I have for you is when you're booking a hotel, use Tripadvisor to check it out before you book. There's a lot of great resources that you can use within the Tripadvisor website. Number one, you can compare prices. So how do you know if it's cheaper to book directly through the hotel website or on a third-party site or even on Tripadvisor itself? You can compare prices for your hotel on the website so you can make sure you get the best possible price. Another thing that I love is that you can check out real traveler photos and not those pretty doctored up photos that the hotel posts. So how many times have you seen a hotel online that looks amazing only to get to the hotel and realize the pictures were taken 15 years ago and the hotel's now outdated and run down? Well, on Tripadvisor, you can actually go and look at pictures that real travelers have taken. And if you want to look at a specific part of the hotel, like what are the hotel bathrooms like? What are the rooms like? What is the food like? You can actually filter the photos and look at certain parts of the hotel that are most important to you. And one of my favorite parts is you can read real traveler reviews and you can actually search within the reviews so that you can look for whatever you're looking for. Maybe you're looking for a hotel that's walking distance to restaurants. You can search that in the reviews. Maybe you're looking for a hotel with great customer service, or you're wondering how things are happening after 2020s. Whatever you're looking for, Tripadvisor has it. And it's one of my favorite sites to use when I'm trying to find the best hotel. So that's my travel tip for the day. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed my tip today. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching Travel Tip Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe.